Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you integration by parts using the tabular method. So let's get started with an example. Here we're asked to evaluate the integral of 4x cubed minus 9x squared plus 7x plus 3 all multiplied by e to the negative x with respect to x. This would normally be done using integration by parts, but it would take a very long time using the standard method. So today I'll be teaching you how to complete this using the tabular method, and hopefully this should shorten up the process. So the first thing to do is to start by creating a table, one with a differentiate column and an integrate column. In the differentiate column, you put whichever is easier to differentiate, and in the integrate column, you put the one that is easier to integrate. For the second step, you simply differentiate the left-hand side in the differentiate column down to 0. For step 3, you then integrate the right-hand side down as far as you need to. Then, for step 4, you can simply draw in lines diagonally, finishing off with a horizontal line, and label them alternately plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. The reason for this will become apparent later in the next section. Now, for part 5, you simply write down the integral. Here, we have the positive, which is the sign, of this on the left-hand side of the line, multiplied by this on the right-hand side of the line, and you complete this for everything. Technically, you integrate across any horizontal line, however, integrating 0 simply just gives you a constant, so we can ignore the horizontal line and write plus c at the end. Now, for part 6, we just simplify the integral up from above, and we get I is equal to negative e to the negative x of 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 13x plus 16 plus c as our final integral. Now, why does this method work? Well, here I've given a quick proof of correctness. So firstly, I have here written down the original integration by parts formula, and I will now show that iterating through the tabular method once will give you this formula exactly. So here, we are putting u in the differentiation column and dv by dx in the integration column. If we differentiate u, we get du by dx, and if we integrate dv by dx, we get v. Now, using one iteration of the tabular method, we have a diagonal line with plus and a horizontal line with minus. Now for the integral, we will simply add uv and then integrate the negative of du by dx and v with respect to x. And this is exactly identical to the integration by parts formula, and therefore this is why the tabular method works. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for some more fun maths problems. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.